Struggling to lose belly fat, no matter how hard you diet or exercise? Here's the truth. If your diet doesn't support fat burning at the cellular level, you're always going to struggle. In this video, we're breaking down 5 powerful foods backed by science that help you shred belly fat fast. Welcome back to Shred Fat. Belly fat isn't just about looks. It's linked to inflammation, insulin resistance, and even heart disease. But the great news is, food can be your weapon. Let's jump into 5 foods that actually help you melt fat from the inside out. First up, avocados. The fat that burns fat. Yes, fat can help you burn fat. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, key players in belly fat storage. They're also packed with fiber, which helps control appetite. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who added avocado to their meals had significantly lower visceral belly fat. Try half an avocado with your eggs in the morning, or slice it over a salad with olive oil and lemon. Simple, powerful, and delicious. Coming in hot. Eggs. The perfect protein. High in protein and healthy fats, eggs keep you full for hours and help regulate the hunger hormone ghrelin. Why does that matter? Because when you're full, you're less likely to overeat or snack on processed junk. One study from the International Journal of Obesity found that people who ate eggs for breakfast instead of carbs lost 65% more weight. Bonus tip: don't ditch the yolks. They contain choline, which supports liver function and helps metabolize fat. Next, we've got green tea, nature's metabolism booster, a powerhouse drink that can boost your fat-burning furnace. Green tea contains EGCG, a compound that helps break down fat and increases fat oxidation, especially during exercise. And yes, the caffeine gives you a slight metabolic edge too. In one 12-week study, green tea drinkers lost more belly fat than the control group, without changing anything else. Drink it hot or cold, 2 to 3 cups a day. Just skip the sugar or creamers. At number 4, we've got Greek yogurt. Protein meets probiotics. This creamy snack is high in protein, which helps you build muscle and burn more calories at rest, and also contains probiotics that support gut health. Why does that matter? Because your gut microbiome plays a role in how your body stores fat, especially around the belly. Just go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Add berries or cinnamon for flavor without the sugar crash. You're feeding your muscles and your metabolism. Last but not least, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula, volume without the calories. They're packed with fiber, water, vitamins, and minerals, but low in calories. This means you can eat a big volume of food without gaining fat. Plus, they help reduce bloating and inflammation, 2 things that make belly fat look worse. Try sautéed spinach with eggs, kale in a smoothie, or a giant salad loaded with avocado, olive oil, and lean protein. Quick recap and meal ideas. Let's recap the 5 belly fat burning foods. Avocados, hunger-fighting healthy fats. Eggs, high-protein metabolism. Boosters, green tea, proven fat oxidizer. Greek yogurt, protein plus probiotic punch. Leafy greens, nutrient-packed, zero guilt volume. Want to combine them? Here's a fat-burning breakfast idea. 2 eggs cooked in olive oil, half an avocado, a side of sautéed spinach, green tea, Greek yogurt with a few berries. That's a fat-burning meal right there. If this helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps more people find the channel. Subscribe for weekly fat-burning tips, workouts, and science-backed strategies to shred fat and boost your health. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to belly fat fighting food? And we'll see you in the next one.